All right, guys, last meal before lockdown. Wah, wow. This is our last night of freedom. You guys know me, I'm not someone who does well in lockdown. I'm not someone who can sit still and stay in one place for a few weeks, so I am not looking forward to this, but going with the flow, what can you do? That being said, Ivana says on our last night of freedom, why don't we go for Steve's favorite Western food?
Woohoo!
Steak and potatoes. Now, I'm a little bit worried because we have had steak in Malaysia once before and it was not prepared the way I would normally prepare it. It was covered in like sauce, like gravy, which to me it's like respect the meat. You know, put a little bit of salt, cook it on the barbecue, and it's ready. Maybe a little bit of onions sauteed in butter, but mostly it's just meat and salt. That's what we want. So, last time we had steak, it was not nearly as fancy as the place we're going now. You can see the batik and dress. Ooh, looking very beautiful. So hopefully we can find some nice North American style or Western style steak and potatoes. We're going to a place called Victoria Station, the House of Fine Steak, which to me means like London, like English.
Yeah. Oh, there's a train. Look.
There's a train there.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. Steak on a train.
Wow.
Let's
So
do
cool.
it. Feeling nervous to vlog in a place this fancy. Never vlogged like this. For some reason, street food is comfortable to vlog, but a place like this, I'm like, oh man.
You know it's fancy when you get napkin.
Napkin on the lap. Come on. Feeling out of place here.
Right.
So we just ordered. I got a ribeye steak, which is known as like incredible quality. I just feel
The best
they
quality.
could not possibly put gravy on this. If it comes out with gravy, I didn't ask. I feel I'm gonna go with the flow. I don't want to tell them how to do their job. So I just said, I'll have the ribeye. They said, okay, sounds good. So I'm feeling confident it's not gonna have gravy on it. Also, I didn't ask what the side was. I don't know what's it coming with.
Yeah. Yours didn't have a side. I ordered the Victoria steak.
You ordered Victoria
which
steak,
I'm sure they have.
which said potatoes and everything.
Yeah.
Mine just said ribeye steak. It's possible for dinner I'm having a big piece of meat and that's it, which I'm okay with, by the way. I'm okay with that.
We'll see.
No regrets. So we've got a 109 ringgit piece of steak coming towards me.
Wow. Mine cost,
Not bragging, just being honest.
I think 82 or something.
82. So it's an expensive dinner. Last dinner before we're locked in a cage. So so far so good. Look how fancy it is. I mean, come on.
Alright, some buns for starter.
Bread and butter. Don't mind if I do.
Oh, thank you. I got some mango juice.
Perfect. And a cold beer. What
And,
could be better than that?
and by the way, I think beside us, right here, is a piece of a real train, I think.
You're
Like
smart,
an
Ivana.
old train.
You're smart. Oh, you can sit in there. Perfect. Look at that salad.
Which dressing?
French.
Thousand Island. Please. Look at that. Servers with a smile.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Ah,
Okay,
so you got
I do have a salad at least.
Yeah.
We'll see if there's steak and potato. Not sure. Literally, the item I ordered said ribeye steak.
Yeah, without any
That's
sides.
all it said. It
But
just
you
said
got,
that.
But you got salad so far.
Don't
so.
be afraid. How can you have a bad meal in a place like this?
Right.
We will be honest. If the food is not that good, I feel like it has to be good. It's expensive and it looks nice. I feel like the ribeye is gonna be.
Yeah. Hopefully it's good. I
I'm
mean,
ready.
It looks
I'm hungry.
It looks pretty old and vintage and classy in here.
Does anybody know? This must be. For some reason, I have Victoria. I have it in English. Victoria, like
Oh,
England. Isn't it like
I read
Victorian?
somewhere on the menu. It says that the owner used to work with the British during their colonization.
But the owner is Malay.
No, the owner is Malaysian.
Malaysian.
Yeah,
Okay.
who used to grill steaks. Oh, someone's birthday.
My birthday was 3 days ago. For a second, I thought that was you doing some late birthday thing. I was like, oh, so embarrassing. I was like, don't do it in a restaurant. I don't know if you guys like when people sing to you and everybody in the restaurant knows. For me,
You
I
don't
would
like
not be
it?
a fan. I would be embarrassed. Everyone's gonna look over like, oh, look at him. I'm like,
You don't like birthday celebrations anyway. You don't like to
I
celebrate
don't like
your
it.
birthday.
I don't like it to be all about me. It's like it just seems like I'm 30 years old. I'm not a kid. I don't want gifts. It's like
You feel like birthday party, they're for kids. Okay.
Spending time with friends, okay, but this idea of like, it's my birthday party, I feel like it's for children.
Right. All right.
Am I supposed to eat this now? I think so.
Eat it whenever you
I think
like.
eat it now. Oh, pineapple in it.
Ooh,
Something tells me in England they wouldn't have pineapple in there.
that's
This
a
is
big chunk.
This is a Malaysian specialty.
Oh, that's a big chunk.
Not complaining, just noticing.
That's funny. Good.
Good.
Alright. So far, so good.
Pineapple coleslaw. Hey. Wow, look at that. Thank you.
Oh, yours come with potatoes.
I've got some veggie action. Some, I want to call this a Brussels sprout? No, asparagus. Asparagus across here with a baked potato.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, looks good. Now what do you got there? See, you got the gravy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you don't have gravy.
They do this a lot.
Yeah.
I feel like you use gravy to mask the lower quality meat. If it's really good meat, you don't want to gravy it. You want to.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try some of yours as well.
Can.
Yeah, you're right. You don't have gravy. Look at that.
No, that's nice, Ivana. This is fresh.
Just pure good steak.
Okay,
let's
grating
try.
the beef. Sour cream, please. Small chicken. Sure. Of course. Why not? The more the merrier. Thank you. So inside the baked potato, we have small chicken. Never seen this in my life.
Wow.
I mean, it sounds good. I think it's like grated chicken.
Right.
All good.
Try the meat. It looks good.
Yeah. So there's a flavor.
Good meat.
There's a texture to beef when it's really good quality. Not even a flavor. It's a texture. It's a melt in your mouth type thing. This has that quality where you don't even have to chew. It just falls apart. It's
Really?
incredibly delicious.
So it's
yes.
good. It's tender.
Mm-hmm.
Reminds you of your home? Reminds you of home.
Not really. Slightly different.
Slightly different.
But
okay.
it's very good. Try a piece, Ivana. It's very
Wow.
good. They did sort of. Actually, you know what it is? It's pan fried.
my plate.
It's pan fried.
Oh.
Not barbecue. Slightly different. It's pan fried.
Okay, it's pan fried because there was a barbecue steak on the menu. So that might be barbecue.
Very good, Ivana.
And you cut.
To be honest, I could go for 2 of these. Just the meat. Very good. Not a lot of fat. A lot of flavor. Pretty good on the medium rare. Give that a check mark. Try. Right here. It's good. I mean, is it the best steak I ever had? Maybe not. But is it satisfying me? Yes. 5 stars. What is this, by the way?
Maybe you're supposed to put that on the meat. I don't know. Some kind of sauce.
Oh, it's butter. Yeah, it's for the meat.
Really?
Yeah, it's butter for the meat. I think it's some kind of garlic butter or like. Is it for the meat? Well, too late now. Yeah, it's butter. It's gotta be for the meat.
Okay.
Could be wrong. People could be looking at me going, "What is that guy doing? He's putting mayonnaise on his steak."
Or it might be for the potato.
Oh no, I think it's for the potato. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I think it's butter.
All right then.
I'm gonna go with it.
So mine is covered in sauce,
Yeah.
and it is slightly cheaper than Steve's. I got like chunks of chicken bits on top.
No, chicken?
Yeah, it says on the menu.
Oh, I figured it was mushroom.
Right. Look at this. Let's cut a piece.
Oh, it looks good, Ivana. Come on.
I got also medium rare. You can see it's a little red.
Oh,
Oh,
yours
it's pretty
is quite
good.
rare, Ivana.
Yeah.
Oh, quite rare.
What did you get? Medium rare?
Medium rare, but mine is not like that. Mine is much more thin, so I think it's easier to overcook by accident.
Right.
Look at yours, it's really rare, Ivana. Oh, it looks good. Oh,
Put some sauce on top.
sauce it up, sister.
Ah. Try. This is really good still.
Give me
So tender, so
give me
soft.
a description of meat quality and also give me a description of flavor.
It's salty. You can taste the sauce, the gravy really well, but the meat itself is like so tender, so good. Like, it's not chewy at all. You're right. Melt in your mouth.
Right. Ivana's trying to talk and eat at the same time.
It's so good. I didn't expect the meat to be so tender because from what we have experienced in Malaysia, the beef tends to be a little bit tough or chewy. But this one is melt in your mouth, tenderness.
Very
And the
nice.
sauce is like, it got like chicken bits and mushroom. Pretty good.
There you have it.
Yeah, and let me try yours. I got a
different
piece of
flavor.
yours.
Yeah, this is nice. Much more thin and much more tender. Nice, right? Tenderness.
This one is just you enjoy the meat by itself, no sauce, no nothing.
No sauce needed. Exactly.
The salt and pepper.
There you go.
Really good. This is German.
This is, do you know the cut? Is it like a ribeye?
Prime cut.
Prime rib.
Prime
Prime cut.
cut. Yeah.
It's good. I don't like it with sauce.
Oh, you don't like
The beef is so good.
Yeah.
I just love the flavor of beef. Just give me the beef.
Right.
It's still delicious, but I prefer no sauce.
Alright.
Just some butter and some salt, all you need.
So ribeye, right?
Mine is ribeye.
Wow.
Which, what does that mean? The rib eye? It must be the end of the rib where it looks like an eye? I have no idea.
See, the thing
No
is,
idea.
I don't know anything about steak. Like, there's some dry aged steak. I don't even know what that means.
Right.
There's charboiled steak,
Yeah.
and
And there's like
barbecue.
Wagyu, which is from Japan, which is
Yeah.
apparently even better.
Yeah.
Lots
so
to
many
learn about
different
steak.
types. But like, as long as the meat is good, it's good. Like
In
mine is
Canada,
pretty good.
we eat sirloin.
Sirloin.
This is what you get from the grocery store. You buy a bunch of sirloins, put them on barbecue, and they're maybe a little bit thicker, maybe twice as thick,
Okay.
but they're more like a rectangle. Sirloin. This is what we always eat.
I'm wondering what's the grading is for sirloin. Like,
It would not be this quality.
Yeah,
This is
that
better
one is-
meat than what we're eating at the grocery
yeah,
store.
I think sirloin is maybe
Cheaper quality.
cheaper quality, but it's still good.
Still
right?
good. Let's try the chicken baked potato. Chicken, what do you call it? Small chicken.
Yeah.
Like chicken
Chicken
bits. Not my favorite.
Really?
The chicken bits are almost crunchy.
Oh.
In Canada, we might do bacon bits.
Yeah.
Similar idea. But even bacon bits, I wouldn't be a fan of. For me, I would put butter and cheese in the baked potato. Melted cheese in the baked potato. Very North American. But
wait, I think you also got more sides than me. Like you got the salad, you got the
Yeah.
corn. I only got this, the potato and veggies. So I think yours is worth the extra cost.
I think so. Baked potato is good, but I'm not a fan. I'm only halfway in on the chicken bits.
Alright.
Manageable. They're crunchy. It should be cheesy and goopy and hot and warm.
How are the veggies? Well,
I mean,
good?
it's a veg. How back can it be? Carrots. Overall, good job.
Alright.
It's a good last meal before
Calm
lockdown.
down,
I think I just realized the butter was for the corn.
yeah. Butter you put on your steak.
I never saw a big blob of butter on the side of that plate before. It was good on the steak. It was good on the meat, but it was definitely for the corn.
Alright.
Vlog fail.
This is my first time having chicken sauce on top of a steak. Look at that. This is chicken piece. Chicken pieces on top of it.
So the verdict is good or bad?
I like it. But it's just interesting. Interesting.
I've never seen that either. Chicken on top of the steak.
Right. Interesting.
Interesting.
The award for the cleanest plate on earth goes to Steve.
Boom, look at that. That's called getting your money's worth right there. So overall, Ivana, let's finish the review. 109 ringgit steak. It was good.
Is it worth it?
I wouldn't say it was out of this world amazing. Maybe it's a different style. Maybe in England, in Malaysia, they do the steak this way. A little bit expensive for the quality. Still good, but 109 ringgit is like
It is.
15 meals of street food.
It is an expensive meal.
You can get char kway teow for 6 ringgits. That's pretty darn good.
That's true.
So Still glad we came. Still a great meal, but slightly different in Canada.
Yeah,
Thicker meat, less sauce,
maybe more fatty too.
maybe less healthy in Canada. Also, this is pan-fried, not barbecue.
That's true. Yeah.
There you have it, guys. So now begins lockdown tomorrow. You guys can stay tuned for a vlog a day in lockdown. We're gonna keep pushing out vlogs. We got nothing to do. I bought 3 books, and we're gonna go to the gym a lot. So we'll read and we'll work out, but you can't read and work out all day. So
Yeah.
we're gonna make a vlog every day. What will we get up to? Stay tuned to find out.
We need some ideas.
Yeah, let us know what we can do in lockdown. Things that we can do in our apartment. We'll do tons of cooking vlogs. Ivana's gonna be making tons of stuff. Maybe we can do a steak preparing video.
Oh, make our own steak. All right, that's gonna be your job.
Can.
Yeah.
Okay,
in
guys.
Canada, the man is in charge of the barbecue and grill. Right. The woman is in the kitchen. The man outside in the backyard in charge of the grill.
True fact.
Barbecue.
You don't see women barbecuing.
Right.
True fact.
Why is that?
I don't know.
It's a man's thing.
It's a man's thing. It's outside. It's near the garage. It's outdoors.
Right.
Man's thing. There you have it, guys. Overall, I'm gonna use my napkin like a rich person.
Overall, how many stars?
I mean, I would say it's 5 stars. It's still steak and potato. It's really good. But I was expecting a 6-star, broke the scale, bonus star.
Wow. For the price you pay.
For the price, I was expecting like,
All right.
but there you have it. Still good. Still glad we came. Thanks for watching, guys.
There you have it. I still need to finish my meal.
Take your time.
A little bit more.
Bye, everybody.